Functional training has gained significant popularity among athletes for its focus on exercises that mimic real-world activities. For swimmers, this training style can be a game changer. How can functional exercises boost a swimmer's performance in the pool? What specific benefits do they offer compared to traditional strength training? Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Functional training improves muscle coordination, core stability, and joint flexibility, all crucial for swimmers. It also addresses the repetitive stress of swimming, reducing the risk of injuries. In this video, we'll delve into the top 3 functional exercises designed to enhance swimming performance and explain why they are particularly effective for swimmers. Functional training is a comprehensive approach to strength and conditioning that emphasizes whole body movements and muscle groups working together. Unlike traditional strength training, which often isolates individual muscles, functional exercises mirror the dynamic actions we use in everyday activities. For swimmers, this means training muscles in a way that closely resembles the demands of swimming strokes and movements. The key benefit for swimmers is the focus on core stability, which is crucial for maintaining proper body alignment in the water. A strong core helps swimmers generate more power with each stroke, reduces drag, and allows for smoother turns. Additionally, functional training can improve flexibility and balance, reducing the risk of shoulder and back injuries, which are common in swimmers due to repetitive movements. By incorporating exercises that involve multiple joints and muscle groups, swimmers can build strength and endurance that translate directly to the pool. This article will outline 3 functional exercises that target these areas, explaining how they contribute to a swimmer's overall performance and health. Let's explore these exercises and see how they can elevate your swimming game. Now let's discuss the top 3 functional exercises for swimmers. Functional training is an effective way to build strength, improve flexibility, and prevent injuries in swimmers. Let's dive into the top 3 exercises that can help you achieve these benefits. 1. Plank variations. Planks are a cornerstone of core stability, a critical aspect of swimming performance. By engaging multiple muscle groups, including the abdominals, lower back, and shoulders, planks can improve body alignment and control in the water. Standard plank. Start in a push-up position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, engaging your core to avoid sagging or arching. Hold for 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on your strength level. Side plank. Lie on your side, propped up on your elbow, with your body in a straight line. Engage your core to lift your hips off the ground, holding for 30 seconds on each side. This variation targets the obliques, which play a role in stabilizing your torso during swimming strokes. Plank with shoulder taps. In the standard plank position, lift one hand to touch the opposite shoulder, then return it to the ground. Alternate sides, focusing on keeping your hips stable. This exercise enhances shoulder stability and core engagement, both vital for swimmers. 2. Medicine ball slams. Medicine ball slams are a powerful way to develop explosive strength, which is essential for swimming starts and turns. This exercise targets the shoulders, back, and core, mimicking the explosive movements required in swimming. How to perform: stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a medicine ball at chest level. Raise the ball above your head, then slam it forcefully to the ground. As you slam, engage your core and bend your knees slightly for stability. Repeat for 10-15 repetitions, ensuring proper form. Benefits for swimmer: medicine ball slams help swimmers build explosive power, aiding in strong starts and quick turns. This exercise also promotes full body coordination and strengthens muscles used in swimming strokes. 3. Resistance band pull-aparts. Resistance band pull-aparts are excellent for improving shoulder stability and scapular strength, key factors in preventing swimmers' shoulder and enhancing stroke technique. Instructions: hold a resistance band at shoulder height, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Pull the band apart, squeezing your shoulder blades together, then slowly return to the starting position. Perform 10-15 repetitions, focusing on controlled movements. Benefits for swimmers: this exercise strengthens the muscles around the shoulder blades, reducing the risk of injury and improving posture. It also reinforces proper shoulder mechanics, leading to smoother and more efficient swimming strokes. Next steps. These 3 functional exercises form a solid foundation for swimmers looking to improve their strength and stability. In the next section, we'll discuss how to incorporate these exercises into your training routine, offering guidance on frequency, progression, and additional tips for maximizing results. Now let's discuss integrating functional training into a swimmer's routine. Functional training can significantly enhance a swimmer's performance, but the key to success is integrating these exercises into your training routine effectively. Here's how to do it. Creating a balanced routine. To maximize the benefits of functional training, aim for a balanced routine that incorporates both swimming practice and functional exercises. Start by dedicating 2-3 days per week to these functional workouts, allowing time for your muscles to recover. Ideally, you can perform them after a swim session or on off days from the pool. Frequency and progression. Begin with a manageable frequency, such as 2 sets of each exercise, gradually increasing the number of sets and repetitions as you gain strength. For plank variations, aim for a longer hold time over several weeks. With medicine ball slams, start with lighter balls and work your way up to heavier ones, focusing on explosive power. For resistance band pull-aparts, increase band resistance as you build shoulder strength. Combining with swim training. To ensure functional training complements your swim training, focus on exercises that target swimming-specific muscle groups without overworking them. Planks are excellent for core strength and can be done after a swim session to reinforce core stability. Medicine ball slams are best performed on days when you practice explosive starts and turns in the pool. Resistance band pull-aparts can be used as part of a warm-up routine, helping to activate shoulder muscles before swimming. Warm up and cool down. Always begin with a proper warm-up to prepare your muscles for the exercises ahead. This can include light cardio, dynamic stretches, and mobility exercises. After completing your functional workout, take time to cool down with static stretches and deep breathing to aid recovery. With a balanced routine that includes functional training, you can enhance your strength, stability, and swimming performance. Functional training can be a transformative addition to a swimmer's training regimen, offering improved strength, stability, and injury prevention. By incorporating plank variations, medicine ball slams, and resistance band pull-aparts into your routine, you'll enhance your core stability, shoulder strength, and explosive power, all essential for a competitive edge in the pool. As you integrate these exercises, focus on consistency and proper form to maximize results. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. Now, take action and start incorporating functional training into your swimming workouts. Your stronger, more balanced body will thank you as you swim toward your goals.